Let's check in with weather impacts tonight. Meteorologist Becca Birdsall. It was definitely a gray day, a wet day for some folks too.
Yes, especially compared to this time yesterday. Yesterday, we were talking about breaking record high temperatures. Today, much cooler, but temperatures only going down from here. As we go throughout this evening, expect clouds, fog, and mist. Exactly what we're dealing with earlier. That's what we'll deal with going into tonight. An Arctic cold front is going to pass through on Monday. That is going to ramp up our wind gusts and bring a winter-like chill across the Carolinas as we go into the second half of the day on Monday. So that high temperature on Monday, 61 degrees, that's actually going to occur during the early afternoon. Temperatures will fall throughout the day by Tuesday morning, below freezing, middle 20s, chilly sunshine with a high of only about 47 degrees. We'll do it all again for Wednesday as well with a high right around 52. So there's that cold front. It's going to bring a couple of light showers, not much, but more importantly, bring us that cold blast of air, and you'll feel those breezy winds here in the Charlotte area going into around 1 o'clock for the Charlotte area, 25 to 30 miles per hour, but windy up towards the mountains. And while winds do begin to calm down for your Tuesday morning here in Charlotte, it does still stay windy up in the mountains. Now, with you combined gusty winds with incoming dry air and low relative humidity values, that does increase the fire danger risk, which is why a fire weather warning has been issued. Does run from noon through about 6 o'clock, so outdoor burning strongly discouraged, not only for the Piedmont but for the Carolinas. Wind chills by 4 o'clock on Monday, feeling like 40 in Charlotte, feeling like 7 over towards Boone. It has to be going to Tuesday morning, feeling like the teens and lower 20s across the greater Charlotte area, and it stays chilly throughout your Tuesday. A couple of light showers will be possible early Monday morning, especially up for the mountains. A few of these showers could make it in to the greater Charlotte area, but it is not going to be much. As we look ahead toward your New Year's Eve forecasts, your Wednesday and Thursday look to be fairly seasonable for this time of year. Highs in the lower to middle 50s in this Jerry Head Supercenter 7-day forecast. But as we go over the next several days, you'll notice that big drop in temperatures, and we finally are close to average for this time of year, which is right around 53 degrees. So it will be a cold end to the new year.